Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel here. Stephen Howell, and I wanted to pop on video here just to shoot this welcome video. If you're new to my real estate YouTube channel, I'm so glad to have you here. Definitely check out the playlist, the videos. I've been producing content on this channel since late 2014. I'm a real estate investor, wholesaler, and a mentor. I've worked with a lot of people and helped them to scale their real estate business step by step. So I have a lot of cool content on the channel. I just wanted to make this video as a welcome video to say hey and to introduce myself. And so I'm here at my office. I just kind of pan the office briefly. And I just wanted to say hello. So if you check out any of my videos, in the description of the video, I have a website where my content is housed. It's StephenHowellMentoring.com. If you like what you see here on the channels and you check out some of the videos, definitely go over to my site, subscribe. I've prepared 3 trainings that I've put a lot of time and energy into, and they've helped a lot of people do their first or their next real estate deal. I'm very big about keeping costs low and getting results quickly, in mastering just a couple of lead sources and not being all over the place in your business, and helping people to build and grow and scale their real estate business and all the things that encompasses quickly and step by step. So I've had a lot of videos here on the channel. A couple that have even got over 100,000 views organically. So feel free to check that out. If you want to go to my site, StephenHowellMentoring.com, you can see some of the testimonials and reviews, and I have a documentary with my wife that kind of shares a little bit about our story and some of the trials and the things that we went through and how I built my real estate business. So guys, I just want to introduce myself. I'm super honored to have you here. I can't wait to see you in the videos. I do have lots of great content for you, and so I'm super excited to meet you, to connect with you, and to possibly help you. So guys, enjoy and have an awesome day. Thanks.